Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Monday, new week with new puzzles. Monday, September the 12th, 2022. We have here only one regular puzzle, and it's a medium puzzle, medium Sudoku puzzle. And I have no good news for today because today we have no additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you. No extra puzzles. What I will do is the edition of Friday, because the puzzles in last Saturday I've already solved them all, so there are a few puzzles left in the Friday edition, and I believe 3 puzzles are left. Here is the Friday edition. Yeah, we have the Friday, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic left. Yes, so only 4 puzzles then for today. Well, what's the news of today? Well, let me see the news of today. Well, Max Verstappen, yes, the Dutch guy, has won the race in Monza in Italy. So 5 times in a row he won a race. So he will be become again world champion. If the next race he will win, and the second I believe Leclerc, if he has no points and Max Verstappen will win, he will be world champion. Oh wait, Sudoku Medium number 5161. Let me place it here. 5161. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be easier than the 1 star, because the 1 star has 26 printed digits, and for a 1 star you need to be faster than 50 minutes. So maybe 40 minutes, I do not know, we will see. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number? Let me see, which number can I pick? 99. Okay. Interesting. Well, you need to think here. Yeah, publisher. This one is not easy, I tell you. A lot of pairs, I believe. 5, okay. Come on. 5. Yeah. 5. Yeah. Oh, the start is 6 and a 5. No. Cannot believe this. This is 3. 19. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1. Okay, and then 9. 5. 7. Come on, it's taking too long. 1 1 1. 5 5 5 5 5 5. We have a pair, I believe. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these two boxes here, 5 in this row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 5 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8, could be here, could be there. We have a pair, 8 and a 5. 4 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers now in this row. The last row, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 4 6. Yeah, 1 4 6. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes here, 7 in those. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. So no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay, 2 yeah. 4 5. Okay. And now 6 6. 1 1 6 6. Come on. Need an 8. Yeah. We need an 8 in this column. Well, 4 missing numbers, need an 8 in this column. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 5 and the 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those again. Okay, and now, let me see. Think. Come on. 5 3 3 2 2 2. Come on. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. No. 3 and a 4 are missing. 3 and a 4 in this middle row. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4, 4. 2, 2, 2. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Think. 9 in this row. 9, overlook this. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Overlooked. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Not easy, this one. Not easy. 5, 5. But 8, 8. 8, 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square, other numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 4 and the 6. Here we have a pair, 8 and a 5. So those 2 numbers should be also 4 and the 6. Okay, 4 and the 6. 2, 2. Okay. 6, 6. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, and a 1. Alright. 1, 3. 1, 3, and the 5. 1, 3, and a 5. Here can it be a 5. 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. And look, with a 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the second row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in the third column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have all the 3s. Let me count, and all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the third column. The 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those. A lot of pairs. Then 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 6 6, okay, 1 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the last column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in a third row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 and a 5, we have an 8 now in the middle column. So no 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and a 4, we have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here in this third row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. Not faster than 50 minutes. I've a little bit troubles in the beginning. So is this really a 1 star? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. I thought it was a easy one, but well, it seems it's not an easy one. 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Thumbs up if you enjoy this. Thumbs down if you dislike it. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will continue maybe in the evening or afternoon the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. Alright? In the Friday edition, because the Saturday edition is already solved. So until then, bye bye for now. Otherwise I will see you tomorrow. Until then, see you later.